All right, WMC, here is the video to find the winner of my Charlie Brown Brewers. So we'll check the time, June 22nd at 6:16 p.m. We're going to go over to, whoops, wrong board, over here. We're together here. All right, type live. There we go. We have June 22nd at 6:16 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Matt. Spot 8 is our winner. So Matt, please get with me to collect your Charlie Brown. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 22nd at 6:16 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.